In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and modify numbered lists in Microsoft Word. Numbered lists are a simple yet powerful tool to organize information, highlight key points, and enhance the clarity and professionalism of your documents. Whether you're preparing a report, drafting a project outline, or just keeping track of tasks, mastering numbered lists can save time and make your work look polished and structured. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document. Highlight the lines of text that you want to turn into a numbered list. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of your window. In the Home tab, look for the Paragraph group. Here, you will see a button that looks like a numbered list, typically showing the numbers 1, 2, 3. Clicking this button will immediately apply a basic numbered format to your selected text, and you'll see each line numbered sequentially. If you want to change the style of your numbers, such as using Roman numerals or letters instead of standard numbers, click the small down arrow next to the numbering button. This opens a menu displaying a variety of numbering formats. You can select Roman numerals, alphabetical letters, or other available styles, depending on the look you want for your document. Creating sub-items or multi-level lists is just as easy. Click on the list item you want to turn into a sub-item and press the Tab key. Word will automatically adjust the numbering format to a lower level, changing numbers to letters or Roman numerals as appropriate. If you need to move a sub-item back to the main level, simply press Shift plus Tab, and it will return to its previous position. Sometimes you might want to restart numbering or continue numbering from a previous list. To do this, right-click directly on the number, not the text, and select either Restart at 1 or Continue Numbering. You can also set a custom starting number by right-clicking the number, choosing Set Numbering Value, typing the desired starting number in the dialog box, and clicking OK. For example, if you want your list to begin at 5 instead of 1, simply enter 5. With these tools, you can easily create, modify, and customize numbered lists in Microsoft Word. Using multi-level lists, different numbering styles, and custom starting points allows you to present your information clearly and professionally. By practicing these steps, you'll be able to integrate numbered lists seamlessly into your documents, making your work more organized and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.